Get ready for an unforgettable in-person experience with me as we step into the timeless beauty of Tuscany to enjoy 8 days of painting, culture, connection and festivities, soaking up the vibrant wonder of one of Tuscany's most enchanting towns, Lucignano. If you did miss out this year, I'm making it all happen again for you in 2027, and I'd love you to be there with us. Our Tuscan studio is situated within the stone walls of the old village, an authentic medieval hilltop town which is sure to captivate your heart and spirits just as it has mine. Surrounded by rustic streets, ancient walls and sweeping countryside views, this experience invites you to slow down, create, explore and immerse yourself in some truly authentic Italian life. Whether you're a complete beginner or a much more experienced artist, this is a truly creative escape that you won't want to miss. Enjoy a relaxed and supportive environment with a mix of full and half painting days, allowing you time to really connect with and develop your watercolour practice while soaking up the historic surroundings and the festive atmosphere that you'll find here. Our stay coincides with Magelata Flower Festival, a vibrant, traditional celebration where Lucignano bursts into colour with floral floats, music and parades. Expected to take place during our visit, it is a beautiful cultural experience and I can't wait to share it with you. What are we painting? Well, we're all about natural history subjects inspired by the bounty of our surroundings. Botanical, birds, critters, if it's alive, it's in our painting sites. And together we'll explore realistic watercolour painting techniques alongside some simple graphite work with projects designed to give you a wonderful cross-section of relevant painting exercises. Of course, we're all about the painting, but we're not all about the painting. A full day trip will take us further afield to explore the broader region together. Previous adventures took us to Umbria, sharing some of my favourite places with my students, with a little poppy field hunting along the way. Our accommodation is booked independently to give you plenty of flexibility in your stay, but I have several options on hold for my students in a range of configurations. The options include this authentic 13th century residence, another across the lane, and I have another 2-bedroom apartment nestled in the heart of town. Secure a self-contained room in the village where there are wonderful supplies close by, or just relax and enjoy one of Lucignano's lovely restaurants or cafes and soak up the food, atmosphere and the views during your stay. Lucignano is easily reached from Rome or Florence by road with regular train connections throughout the region. Bus transfers are available from Immerse. Driving is straightforward and very scenic, and we have our own private parking area in the courtyard of our accommodation right at the entry of the town. There's also alternative free parking at the entrance and a fabulous free RV parking area on the street just below too. So whether you're looking to develop your watercolour painting skills, to embrace the restorative Tuscan lifestyle, or to simply unplug and enjoy a wonderful week with a beautiful creative focus, this uniquely restorative experience offers a perfect blend of learning, inspiration and adventure in this very, very special place. So popular, we're backed by public demand, and I simply cannot wait. So if you did miss out last time, now is your chance to join us and make new and wonderful memories with us in Tuscany. I hope to see you there.